What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting. You're looking at a brand new Kia Stinger. The customer that owns this car chose the Lumar Ceramic CTX 30 on the front doors, Lumar Ceramic 15 on the back half. Every piece of film was digitally cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. Of course, we did the back window, what we call a one-piece installation. What does that mean? Simply said, we did not splice the back window. Everything was cut on the computer and then installed, like I said, in what we call a one-piece installation. Everything fits perfect. There's no extra window film flopping around in the wind. There's no light gaps. It's the right way to do it. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Of course, everything Signature Glass Tinting does comes standard with our no charge, no fault guarantee. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, Instagram, Twitter. If you can't find us, if we're too far away, if you choose another shop, make sure they use Lumar window film. Find somebody that digitally cuts the window film and find somebody that stands behind what they do, not only with the manufacturer's warranty. Signature Glass Tinting.